If the same issues keep coming back, the problem isn't execution, it's design. Recurring issues are not noise, they're signals. Most organizations treat recurring issues as isolated failures. Another deviation, another CAPA, another fix. But when the same issue repeats, the system is behaving exactly as designed. Engineers see recurring failures as design feedback. Quality teams see recurring findings as workload. Regulators see recurring issues as loss of control. They're all reacting to the same signal, but from different angles. Control doesn't come from fixing faster. It comes from redesigning the system that keeps producing the same outcome. Compliance is not restored by effort, it emerges from structure.